Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars, and it's in an additional newspaper of Thursday, March the 26th. So let's get started. Alright, I see here a 9 in the last row, a 9 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. In this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then a 2 in the first row, a 2 in the third row, so in the row between, the only place for the 2 should be there. And then let me think. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in this box. There are 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here and there. But I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here and there. But I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 1. So let's see another digit. Let me see. The 5, the 6, 7, 7, and 4. No. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 6 should be here. Then 5, 4, 8, and 4, 8, and 5, 4, 8, and a 9. Yes. No. We have a pair in this big square. 4 missing numbers. The numbers are 4, 5, 8, and 9. 4, 5, 8, and 9. 4, 5, 8, and 9. So we have a 5 and a 9. So in these 2 boxes cannot be the 9 and the 5. So the 9 and the 5 should be in one of these 2 boxes. 9 and the 5 as a pair. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 8 and the 4. 8 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. 3 and the 7. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here and there, but I see here 7, no 7 here, 7 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9. In these 2 boxes, so the 9 could be here or could be there. In this middle column. And I remember here we have a pair 9 and a 5. So we have a 9 in the middle column, so this cannot be a 9. This should be a 9, and this should be a 5. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so in the column between. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here and there. But I see here 7, no 7 here, 7 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 7. Then these 2 numbers are reserved for the numbers 4 and the 3. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 numbers are reserved for the numbers 2 and the 8. 2 and the 8, I cannot fill this yet and need to wait for more information. 2 and the 8. These 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 4 and the 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Can I fill these 2 numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 is here and there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 there. 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be here. 3 numbers are left in this big square. For the numbers 3, 6, and 8. We have a 6 there, so no 6 in this box. We have a 6 here, so no 6 in that box. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. Then the 8 and the 3 are missing. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, I cannot fill this yet and need to wait. These 2 boxes in this column are for the numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. These 2 numbers in this column for the numbers 1 and 3, I believe. 1 and 3. Yes, we have a 3 there. So I cannot fill the 3 here. So no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 1 goes here. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here and there, but I see here a 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 8 in the last row, 8 in that row, so in the row between, the only place for the 8 is here. And then these 4 numbers, the 7, the 3, the 9, yes, these 2 numbers in the 3rd row for the numbers 3 and 9, 3 and 9, we have a 3 there, so no 3 here, 3 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 4, 9 and 4, we have a 9 there, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 4 goes here. 9 in this column, 9, oh, we have a 9 here, so then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 6 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here. The 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the 2nd column, so the 3rd column. Only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here and there. But I see here 6. No 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 2. 5 and 2. We have a 5 here, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3, I believe. Yes, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in the last row for the number 7 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this first row for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes here. Finished in 14 minutes. Alright, people. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Thank you for watching again. For now, and in a minute, I will continue with the 3rd Sudoku, a Sudoku with 3 stars. So thank you again, and bye-bye for now.